So hi guys, my name is Deptanu from Mr. 360 and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit like a pro. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, download the Photolab app from the Play Store. You can find it in the first. Then install that. Then open the Photolab app from your app drawer. Then go and select any of the templates of your own choice. This is the most beautiful software I've ever seen in my life. This gives a free editing, and the editing are also like a professional one. Here I'm choosing the black and white one because it is one of my favorite template. Now here you can see how much editing this software can do in your picture. Now select the image that you want to be edited. Now follow my steps. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.